Video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Discord not working on mobile data. So let's get started with the most important ones first and make our way to the less common ones. So first, obviously, you have to go up and make sure that your mobile data is turned on. So just go ahead and see whether it's on. So as you can see for me right now, it's off, but make sure yours is on. Well, then you have to go to settings. So settings, then you have to go ahead and search apps on the search bar, okay? And then go over to the apps section. Now, once you're here, you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find Discord. Or you could just also go ahead and search it up on the search bar. Then from here, you'll have to go to this option right here, which says mobile data. And here, as you can see, I have previously used mobile data for Discord. And so make sure that this option right here is open. Allow background data usage, okay? So this means that Discord can also use mobile data when it's not fully open, okay? But obviously make sure that your mobile data option and it is being used here. Then you could try this, and if it doesn't work, then obviously you can go ahead over to storage and make sure you clear your cache. And sometimes this can always fix the issue. Another fix that we have is to go ahead and see whether your software is updated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in update. And as you can see, software update right there. Download and install. And as you can see, mine is up to date, so that shouldn't be causing any problem. Also, when you're using mobile data, make sure your Wi-Fi is closed so that it doesn't interfere with the mobile data. Well, another problem that possibly could be causing this is that your Discord is not updated. So just go ahead to Play Store and search Discord, obviously here. For some reason it's not signed in. Oh, close, my bad. So just go ahead and search Discord and make sure it's updated. So for me, it's updated, so that's all good. Then make sure that your date and time settings are properly set. Now, this is not a very common issue, but obviously it could happen because sometimes incorrect time can cause connectivity or authentication issues. And sometimes it could also be a Discord problem because sometimes Discord servers can have regional outages or performance issues. So you can check the status on their status page, all right? So basically that is all the fixes and hopefully one of them works out for you. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.